Hello, everybody. The cybersecurity job market in 2025 is tougher than ever. We have like thousands of applicants applying for a single job. We have like AI and automation taking over. And we also have companies cutting their budgets, right? So the market saturation is very, very real. And it seems that there are more applicants than there are jobs. And the question I get asked a lot by people is there a job for me in this very, very tough job market? So stick around with me. In this video, I'm going to show you that yes, there is very much a position available for you and how you can like thrive in this job market. So if you're ready to adapt and succeed in the cybersecurity 2025 job market, stick around with me. If you're new to this channel, my name is Tamuruj Lal. I'm a senior security consultant with AWS. In this channel, I talk about things like cloud security, cybersecurity careers, and AI. And if you like this video, do like and subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. So let's take a step back and look at the current state of the job market. Like, what does the cybersecurity job market look like in 2025? Now, if we just take a few steps back, 4 or 5 years back, the market was doing very, very well. You had massive, massive demand for cybersecurity professionals, and companies were willing to pay double, triple your salary to have a proper experienced cybersecurity teams. And now, unfortunately, what it is, the supply has gone up more than the demand. So now companies have become much, much more pickier because of the layoffs. You have had so many people flooding the job market. You also have an influx of new people, people who are graduating, newcomers, people who are transitioning into this new field. So the job market is filled with potential job applicants, right? So demand has gone down, the supply has gone up. And a lot of people tell me this, they feel as if the job market has become like paused, right? Somebody has hit the pause button on hiring, that nobody is hiring and it's become so very difficult to land a job. Unfortunately, you can see companies also, you literally every other week you hear news about big tech companies or even regular companies laying off people, right? And it's become very, very common to hear this within the tech industry. Apart from that, if you read the current future of jobs report, I'll link it in the comment section. I would definitely recommend you check it out. It comes like every year from the World Economic Forum, and it takes a look at the trends which are there. And surprise, the Gen AI thing is still there. Within 5 years, they have predicted that 41% of companies will cut jobs due to AI. And 41% is a massive, massive number. You can imagine this is exactly what people are afraid of when they talk about AI. And you have people like the CEO of a Klarna. Klarna, if you're not familiar, it's like a buy now, pay later app. It's very, very popular. And they said that we have stopped hiring thanks to AI, but we still have open positions. But the vast majority of their hiring has stopped because of AI. Do I agree with this? Absolutely not. I don't believe that hiring will completely stop, but it does show you what the current state of the job market is within tech and within other industries. Right? AI has been a massive disrupting force. The budgets have shrunk, and lots of new people are there. So this is what you have to keep in mind. Denying it is not going to help anybody, right? This is the current state of the job market. So how do we approach this, right? How do we approach the current job market? So first of all, I want to talk about how do people approach the job market. The 99% of people, what they do is they find a job on LinkedIn, they click apply now, and then they wait, right? This is becomes very frustrating for them because they don't get a response, because the hiring people has gotten, the hiring manager, he has gotten like thousands and thousands of other CVs and other LinkedIn profiles to look at. So you're just waiting and waiting. And I know how stressful that is. This is like, unfortunately, what the vast majority of people do. Now, there are other things you can do in the meantime, which are very, very important. There are four things I would recommend: creating a portfolio, adapting to AI, working on your soft skills, and building your personal brand. This is very, very important. And this could be the deciding factor in you standing out and landing a job. When I talk about creating a portfolio, sorry, I wrote too much here, but I'm talking about, look, identify which area of cybersecurity you are interested in. Is it penetration testing, cloud security, whatever? Set up a home lab, right? Just set up a lab and document how you made it. If you're good at coding, maybe write some script or tools, or maybe, okay, you're a non-technical person, right? Analyze the cybersecurity incident and provide recommendations, right? Organize this content showing who you are, what are your projects, what are your certifications. I would ideally recommend using GitHub. GitHub is very, very popular and it gives you a very professional looking portfolio. This is a sample portfolio I've seen. I really, really liked how this person made his portfolio, all the projects and all the tools and everything. He's linked it here. I'm going to put a link in the comment section and you can check it out. So definitely I would recommend start creating a portfolio, start working on projects. Everybody has certifications, everybody has knowledge. You need to set yourself apart by focusing on projects specific to your area, be it penetration testing, be it cloud security, be it incident response, be it coding. Please start doing that and documenting it. That will really set you apart considerably. The second thing is adapting to AI. Now, everybody is gotten fed up about hearing about AI. The simple fact is you have to accept the change. You have to start learning how AI security works because this is going to be a massive, massive field within cybersecurity. I created a complete video on how to learn AI security. I'll link it here so you can take a look at it and get hands-on with tools that focus on AI security. Now, you might be thinking, where do I go? There are many, many resources available. The one example I'll give you is from the OWASP top 10 for LLMs. They have a complete dictionary, like a huge knowledge base about completely free tools which you can use to secure generative AI. If you have the time, download them, start playing around with them, see how you can use them to secure Gen AI, secure AI applications, and get hands on. Put that on your CV, put that on your portfolio. I'll keep the link for this in the comment section so you can take a look. Okay, the other one is working on your soft skills. Now, this is very important, and this can be the make or break thing for a lot of people. I want you to start getting better at presenting, getting better at talking, getting better at teaching. Go out to like networks, go out to conferences and start networking with people. If you do not have this confidence, this will always be a problem. Technical skills will get you into the job. It is soft skills that will set you apart and keep you there. And soft skills are what people are looking at when they interview you, when they look at when you sit in front of the CISO or the hiring manager. They're going to assess things like your confidence, your speaking ability, your report writing skills, how good you are, how well you can communicate. All these things will come into play. Do not neglect this. Practice with anybody, practice with your friends, your family. Make them sit down and then explain something to them as cybersecurity. If you're shy in front of your family or your friends, believe me, you're going to be even more shy in front of your like boss or people in front of your jobs, right? So start learning this and getting better at it. It is crucial. Number four, again, is building your personal brand. Now we are living in a very different world compared to 15 and 20 years back when I was starting out. You have platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Udemy, TikTok, you name it. Start creating content around cybersecurity if you have the time. This will build your personal brand and it will really set you apart. Because if you create your own brand on YouTube or Twitter or Udemy, you can actually use that to send traffic to your LinkedIn profile. So the normal way is apply for a job and wait for somebody to look at your LinkedIn profile. With this, you're actually sending traffic to your LinkedIn profile. You can build up a brand, right? You can build up a following, and one of those people could be your next hiring manager. Do not neglect this if you have the time. Start creating content. This is the best time to start creating content and building your own unique niche within cybersecurity. So this is what I was talking about. You, instead of doing the normal thing, which is apply and wait, start doing these four things in parallel: creating a portfolio, adapting to AI, working on your soft skills in networking, and building your personal brand. Now I know if you don't have a job, it can also become quite painful because you don't have income coming in. I have like a complete free book on if you have cybersecurity knowledge, what are the different ways you can monetize it. I'm going to link it below. It's completely free. You don't have to pay me a penny. But what I did was I tried different side hustles and ways of earning money through my cybersecurity knowledge, and I've shared the findings also. I wish I could tell you I became rich. That did not happen. But these are my findings, and this is something you can also utilize and make some money while you're waiting for a job to happen. So that pretty much wraps it up. I hope this video was useful to you. Do like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.